Welcome to the JARDIN d'ACCLIMATION, today's amusement park trip. So first up today for the coasters, it is this particular one called Speed Rocket, Gerstlauer family coaster. Alright, it's quite smooth actually. Common theme with these coasters, the family ones, got the POV on the hard strap. Yeah, good fun. I'm just going up the lift hill there, 2 lift hills on there. Here we go, Speed Rockets. Woo. Part of the ride. There she comes. Woo. Probably won't bother it on this occasion, but this is your jump and smile ride. Forgot what they call it. Oh yeah, looks good fun. Right, this will be a first for me. Never done one of these particular ones. It is the Revision Junior spinning coaster. Mechaniques, Mechaniques. Again, I'm not great at pronunciations. Yeah, looking forward to this one. I'll take you on with me. On-ride filming is allowed. Yeah, always like a good rev. Next on the agenda, it's this one, this Luna Park Dragon Coaster, the Son of the Dragon. Yeah, looks good fun. Compact little junior coaster. Yeah, let's go and do it. Get 2 goes round, 2 circuits round. I'm bringing up the Roll of Honour in regards to operating roller coasters here at the JARDIN. This afternoon is this one, the newbie, only opened a couple of months back. It's the Dragon Challenge. Again, I'm sounding like a stuck record, I know, but another good family Gerstlauer roller coaster. Got the launch out the station, you also get a turntable as well, get a little bit of that. Get the roll back and you get the punchy reverse launch as well. Yeah, got a back row POV for you. Really good. So it's not the best bit of recording I'll ever do, but as you can see, it's just done the turntable there. So you'll get fired forward a little bit and then come back. Back round here, back into the rollback, and it's that third launch. Really does pack a punch. It's complete the layout.
3, 2, 1, voyage. S'il vous plaît, j'ai ouvert les portiques en avant, s'il vous plaît.
Roll back. Okay. Never underestimate a Gertz. You reckon?
Yeah, it was good.
Alright.
Yeah. Didn't expect that.
Right, indeed, there are 5 coasters here. Unfortunately, this one, La Machine à Vapeur, is, as you can see, closed. So we're going to get the 4 coast credits. We're coming back again next year, hopefully it'll be open then. Birdie! Yeah, a few more animals. He's definitely a table topper, isn't he, this guy? Look at that. couple more of them down there. So just having a bit of a walk around the park, see a little junior ride there. Just surrounded by trees, the greenery, really, really nice. It's got such a vibe, this of Parc des Attractions in Madrid. And a bit of Liseberg as well, to be honest with you, just not on that scale. Rounding today's events then, off at this one, the Wave Swing Ride, and what's been a pretty decent few hours. As I said, we've done paper ride today. Now you can get the tokens for them at different booths around, self-service around the park. €4.50, some attractions including the new coaster, or 2 coupons, two tickets, so therefore €9. The nearest tube metro station is Les Sablons, which is about a 6-7 minute walk. For the all-day wristband, I think today walking up it was €52. Obviously if you book it online you do get it a bit cheaper. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video, that will be coming to you from Jersey. There'll be a bit of a travel vlog as well. Looking forward to visiting the Channel Isles for the first time. I'm from Jardin des Acclimations. It is 2 hours for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you very soon.